If you're looking for the best Clipus alternative that can automatically turn long videos into viral short clips using AI, this software is exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I'll show you everything from setup to exporting your first viral clip. First, go to Settings. You'll need to add either your Groq API or OpenAI API. I'm using Groq, and I've already added my API key. Next, select your preferred transcription engine and choose the Groq model. You can also upload your own logo here. Once added, it will automatically appear on every exported video. Now click Save Settings and make sure your API key has been saved successfully before continuing. Now click New Project. You'll see two options: AI Viral Clips, Manual Clips. I'll demonstrate both methods, starting with AI Viral Clips. To begin, you'll need a video that you want to convert into short clips. I already have one, so I'll import it. Once the video is finished uploading, click Next. You'll see some basic information about your video. Click Next again. Now click Transcript. For the video language, you can simply leave it on Auto Detect. The software will automatically detect the language. Click Transcribe Video and wait while the transcription is generated. Once the transcription is complete, you'll see the full transcript of your video. Click Next. Now choose the AI model that will find the most viral moments. Since I'm using Groq, I'll select the Groq model. Within a few seconds, the software will generate multiple AI-selected viral clips from your video. You can export any of these clips immediately. If you'd like even more clip suggestions, simply click Find More Ideas, and the AI will generate additional viral moments. Click Next to continue. In the editor, you can fine-tune each clip by adjusting the start and end points. You can also add captions and choose from different caption styles. If you want every clip to have the same style, you can apply it to all clips with just one click. You can also add text overlays, allowing you to place any custom text anywhere on your video.
What the CIA is supposed to do, what it is legally tasked with doing, is very simply to recruit spies, to steal secrets.
Once everything looks good, click Export to render your final videos. Now let me show you how to use manual clips. I'll import the same video for this demonstration. The initial steps are exactly the same. The only difference is in the clipping stage. Here, you'll have two options. Split the video manually by choosing the exact clip lengths, or simply enter the number of clips you want, and the software will automatically divide the video based on its duration. After that, the remaining steps are exactly the same. I'll complete the process and export the video so you can see the final result.
Does the CIA listen through our phones and laptop cameras? Yes. I hate to say it. They can